Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nae, and in today's video I'm going to show you this new and improved headband wig. So as you can see, I styled it in many different ways to show you guys, so stay tuned and see how I achieved this. So jumping straight into this video, shout out to UNice for sending over this unit. Yeah, just showing you guys what I received in the box. A bunch of different color headbands. I got this satin bag. I also received an edge control brush and a melt band. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how the wig is looking. So this is their breathable lace mesh. Yeah, we also have adjustable hooks now. Instead of having that Velcro that would just easily slip off your head, now we can adjust the straps ourselves and tighten the wig. So this allows the wig to fit everyone's head. And on top of that, we have the drawstring. And when I tell you guys, this drawstring can tighten up. Look at this. Look how small it is making the wig. Like, this wig is not going anywhere. So that is great. There is 2 combs at the top and there's also 1 comb at the back, and I'm just showing you guys they do have non-slip grip in the wig as well, and the mesh on the wig is breathable. This wig is a water wave texture that I got in 24 inches and it's 150 density. So let's get into installing it now. So guys, my hair was already straightened, of course it normally is. So all I'm doing is just combing it back, and this is optional. I'm taking out some of my hairs to leave out as baby hairs. This is not necessary. I know a lot of people don't like it, but it's also just a preference thing. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair into a low ponytail. So as you can see, I'm not even doing braids. Like, this hairstyle is super beginner friendly. So now I'm just going in with my edge control and I'm just styling these long baby hairs that I have how I would like them. And if you do not want baby hairs, you can just go ahead, slick all your hair back. Your hair could be long, short, doesn't even matter, because what we are gonna do is end up putting on a wig cap. So once my baby hairs are styled, I'm gonna go ahead and use my wax stick just to make sure everything is nice and slicked back. And once I've done that, I'm just gonna comb it through. I also decided to take out some sideburns. This is also optional. And now I'm going in with my wig cap. I'm just taking my ponytail and I am just putting it all into the wig cap. So a wig cap was provided in the package as well, so you don't even have to worry about getting that, guys. I'm telling you, this is an easy, quick get up and put it on, literally, and go. So now that the wig cap is on, I'm just going to pull it back a bit so you can see some of my hair. And then I'm going to take the 2 combs at the top of the wig, stick them into the front of the wig cap, and the comb at the back of the wig, I'm going to stick it in the back of the wig cap, just like I showed you guys. So once you pull the wig forward, you're going to go ahead, use the comb, stick it into the back, and then you're going to take the 2 combs at the front, stick it into the top, and that is it. The wig is on, it's secured. Because I already tightened the straps before I put it in, like I was showing you guys in the beginning, it was already tight. So I just decided to put more edge control because I felt like it wasn't staying. That's what you see me doing now. But the wig, guys, is on. As I'm showing you guys, I'm actually pulling the wig. It is not budging. It's not moving anywhere. Like, I was shocked. So they did provide us with a bunch of headbands in the box. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on this white one first. So the headband that's on the wig is mesh. So I feel like it is so much better with the headbands now because it's so light that you don't even know it's there. So it looks so much more natural and I'm loving this. And the headbands were really wide, which I really like because I love the wider headbands rather than the smaller headbands. But I mean, guys, that's also a preference thing. And I'm just seeing how it looks in a half up, half down, and I'm like, yeah, we can do a lot with this. The flip over method, guys, if you don't already have one of these, you need to get one. I kid you not. So I went in with my spray bottle. It just has water in there. And I'm just spraying the wig so you guys can also see how it looks when it's wet. And then I went in with some mousse and I put that all over the hair as well. When you're putting mousse on curly hair, you actually want to like scrunch it up and not just drag it down. So just keep that in mind as well. So this is how the wig is looking now that I wet it and put the mousse in it. So nice. I love waterwave texture. If you are not new here, you know waterwave is my go-to curly textured hair. So this is how the hair is looking, as if I was to wear a flip over. There's no parting, super cute, just like that. So I was definitely feeling myself at this point, and then I decided to show you guys another hairstyle. So now I decided I was gonna do a half up, half down. So all I'm doing is just taking a small portion from the top and separating it, and then using my comb to just comb it through, because of course it's curly hair, so you just want to comb it through a bit, and then taking my hair tie and just putting that small portion at the top into a ponytail. And just like that, we have our half up, half down. So this is how it is looking, super cute. And you don't have to worry about anything. Like, you have a whole hairstyle, a whole different hairstyle with almost no work, which is amazing to me. I'm just showing you guys how the back looks. Yeah, like you can't see anything. And I just went ahead and changed the headband and showed you guys how it looks down. So this is a different headband now, and I just took out that ponytail, and this is how it's looking. So I want to do one last style, which was actually putting it into a ponytail. So taking everything, putting it into a ponytail, and also showing you guys that you can also wear it in a bun. So we're just going to take all the hair and put it in one. And you cannot see anything because the headband wig is covered with your actual headband. So when I put it in the bun, you will see that you can't see anything. This wig is super easy to work with. It gives you a natural look. It's like, guys, when I can't emphasize beginner friendly enough. Like, you don't need to blend your hair in with anything. You honestly just put the wig on, put the headband on. Like, you can see the back. You don't have to worry about your hair being out, anything like that. Super, super easy, super cute. Literally put on and go. because I love how flip overs look on me. So this is the style I decided to wear. Sprayed my shine on spray because that's just the finishing touch, and that is it, guys. Literally, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are interested in this unit. All the details will be down in my description box below, so check out UNice hair for this wig, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.